Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So let's see what you'll be expecting for the day on our GBPUSD. If you are yet to subscribe and you've not done that, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram to stay updated. I'll put the link in the comment section. So let's start with our trend first on GBPUSD. This is clearly a downtrend move. We are on a downtrend move. Now take a look at what GBPUSD has done here. We had this low. We had this our lower high. We also had this low. Market give us this pullback, which you can call it lower high. Market dropped and now we've gotten this lower high. So our next movement on GBPUSD will be another drop. But we are likely to be getting the drop on Monday. If we do not get the drop this Friday, then expect the drop on Monday. As if you go to your forward time frame, you can see that market is literally rallying up. So there's a possibility to rally up a bit before it drops, or we might can start expecting a drop. So whatever you would want to be doing as a trader, only look for your sell setup. Once you get the sell setup, you can hop in on for the sell. As likely market is likely to push up a bit, as this is a strong buy indication that market is still likely going to push up a bit. If it does that, then expect the sell on you.